Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on gas. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that gas has broken out another quite long-term down channel, and this was my last video, this one that I shared almost 4 days ago with you. And now if you take a look at the live chart, and this is by the way a 7 days time frame chart, and here you can see that first gas broke out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. Then we had a very powerful pump. And by the way, I have been showing you this previous falling wedge pattern even before the breakout. And in those days, I was telling you that after the breakout, the technical target for this breakout will be here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $20. And you can see that the price line has rallied beyond that target, approximately up to $30. And if I place this measurement tool from this low to here, then you can see that it was almost 1617%. And after this pump, the pricing got rejected by this long-term resistance of $25 that was previously breaking at the resistance here, and again broke at the resistance, and the price then dropped down and formed this down channel that is, by the way, more visible on the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks it was moving inside this channel, and now recently we have broken out the resistance of this down channel. And in today's video we will analyze this move, and I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for gas that I shared few days ago on 23rd of September 2024 with my members, and this signal produced almost 15% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for gas that I shared on 23rd of September 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reverse Gartley pattern that gas formed with the US dollar pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And this was a complete trade signal, buying on and the sell targets on and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has nicely moved up from the buying on and read the sell targets on here, and this was almost 15% pump only on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis, and I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of gas. And this is the daily time frame chart, and here you can see that for the past several weeks, even for the past several months, since after the month of Feb 2024, it was moving inside this channel. You can see that we had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, and almost had another rejection here. Then we had another bounce here, another bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection, and finally we broke out the channel here. This was a fake out, by the way, and finally we have broken out the resistance, and now the price is struggling to break out this long-term resistance of $4.50. That was previously working as a support, and now it is flipped into a strong resistance. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this $4.50 is a quite long-term support and resistance levels. Previously it was working as support here, almost as a resistance here, and resistance here as well. And here for a few weeks it has been working as support. Therefore, again, it is working as a strong resistance for the price line of gas. And by the way, the technical target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel, approximately at $8.50. And in my opinion, if the price then breaks out this resistance of $8.50, that was in fact previously breaking at the resistance here and here, then an imminent move can be possible up to this major resistance once again, that is here at $25. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.